Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Radio Silent Play. I am your moderator for today on February 19th. Okay, it's a Friday. Thank you for joining me. I just want to go over a couple of stocks and I want to give specific buy zones. A couple of stocks have triggered. Okay, a couple of stocks have triggered. First stock that we're going to review is the WOFA trade. Okay, that's Wisdom Homes. This is what I'm looking at. This actually triggered a couple of days ago. It gave an opportunity to hit or to enter at 12.13, then it hit a high of 18 levels. Now, if you notice, okay, we're in that line of symmetry trade. I'm looking at this double bottom, this key double bottom here in 2015 on December. Okay, this thing hit that low of 11. Okay, right now we're testing this low of 11 again. And if you see, you're at a probability level. Okay, what does a probability level mean? That means if you're buying a stock between 10 and 13, you're taking on 30% risk. And that's guaranteed if you stay, okay, on a stop close below your entry. Okay, so let's say you guys are adding at 11 and you place your stop close below 11. That means you're risking only 11% plus commission. I like these type of trades, and the reason I like these type of trades is because they're low risk. If you look at the level 2 on the ask, we have a bid to ask ratio where the bid is higher than the ask. Okay, this is a big bid here at 10. Okay, so simply be very, very patient. Look to bid from 10 to 11, okay, and then look to sell on the ask, okay, for over 50 to 60%. So you're taking on a 10%, 11, 20% risk to make about 60, 80%. I like the trade. If you notice here, every time it hits these levels, let me go over to a bigger set of, okay, so every time it hits this level, it bounces. Okay, you get near this range, it bounces. You get near this range, this time it ripped, and then you had a beautiful bounce. Okay, same thing. Okay, you hit this level, you bounce. You hit this level, you bounce. Right now, we're right here at these levels. So we're buying anywhere in between these levels. Our pivot is going to be that pivot break of 0.0015. If we close above 0.0015, you have upside all the way up to this 21-day moving average at 28. Okay, so I'm looking at a 30% to 170% risk. All right, reward. 30% risk to 170% reward. Okay, if we can get somewhere around that 11, 13 level. Okay, so that's the levels that we want to see on the WOFA, and that's the setup that I have for you on the WOFA. Now the next ticker symbol, okay, same thing, line of symmetry. We've already traded this. This is in a double bottom right now. Okay, this is in a double bottom right now. If you notice here, okay, this stock tested this 13 and then you rallied, you hit a high of 46. Now you're right at this bottom again. Okay, now you have upside to 23 to about 0.003. Okay, you have big upside here for 100%. Your risk is just the same thing, 25%. Okay, so let's take a look at the level 2. If you notice here, now the level 2 on the WOFA, you're starting to see bidders here at 11. Okay, take a look at the 12s. Not many shares here at 12. If you want to grab a starter, you may. Okay, let me go over the LEAS. Okay, the LEAS right now currently at 18. Okay, 14 by 18, 38%. Only 811,000 volume right now. So this stock moves very, very easily. Simply place your bids somewhere between that low, which is that 52-week low, double bottom at 13, and scale it up at 16. 13 to 16 to a potential of 30 to 46. That's a good risk reward. Okay. Any questions on the LEAS and the WOFA? Okay, you're taking low risk rewards. Now, last time I had this meeting, I sent out NUUU. Don't chase these stocks. If I give you a specific buy zone, if this says 13 to 17, simply place your bid. Trading stocks is like buying sneakers. There's always another pair. They're like Nikes. You don't get the LeBrons, then you get the LeBron 2s in the next month. Okay? Don't chase these stocks. Okay? Now, the next stock, I don't know if you guys been watching it, is the IGPK. Let's take a look at IGPK. What did we say? We said the 10 to 13 were the buy zones. Well, Let's take a look at this. Yesterday, we hit a low of 11. Okay, so this thing triggered 10 to 13 were buy zones. Okay, on this potential rounded bottom. Okay, if you come look here, we're gonna on a potential rounded bottom here. Just move this in a little bit. You're seeing this potential rounded bottom here. Now, what you want to see this stock do is close above that 11. You don't want this stock to close below 11 on 2 consecutive closes. Now, let's go look at the level 2 on the IGPK. Okay, what are we noticing here on the IGPK? You have a huge bidder at 12. Okay, 2.2 million. Okay, don't buy it somewhere around here. Let this fill. Let this fill. Don't chase, because if you start buying from 11 to 14, you're giving 30% right away. Okay, be somewhere around here on the bid. 9, 10, 11, you want to stay on the bid. You want to bid 12s, it's okay. But what I want traders to kind of understand is understand the probability levels. Understand the probability trades. Okay, it's very important for you guys to understand these probability trades and trade these stocks, because there's a lot of stocks that are triggering and traders are not locking profits, or they're not buying at good risk reward ratio levels. Okay, you want to buy a stock when these stocks are at lows. You want to buy these stocks when they're at bottoms. Okay, right now these are good stocks to start looking to accumulate. LEAS, you got the WOFA here, and you have the IGPK. Okay, these are 3 good stocks that you guys all can choose from. All right, any one of these stocks, and I don't pick certain picks. Any one of these stocks has anywhere from 30 to 60, 80, 100% potential. Now it's up to you to set your profit margin. With that said, everyone have a great weekend. Okay, good job in the trading in the chat room. Okay, you guys are posting quality setups. You're posting viable information. Let's keep that flow of information going, but at the same time, let's limit the spam. Let's not just post tickers on there. Okay, great job, everyone, and that's all. Have a good night.